I'm at St. Marian Kirche, St. Marian Church in Berlin. It's a very popular destination, quite crowded. Beautiful construction in various types of stone and brick. Goes up and up and up and up and up and up. Different colors of stone. A little bit of gold on the top. They call it good. From a different angle, you can see the towers. There you go. Let's go inside. This lady parked outside begging for cash. She looks like a gypsy to me. I figure she is. This is how she supports herself. On the sides here, there's some very old murals. Going restoration, they just block them off so you can't access them. And of course, this goes up and up and up and up, up and up. And they have these beautiful, absolutely gorgeous stairs on the other side. And they're blocked off, of course. Then you have these bas-relief sculptures, 1598, says on there. Maybe you can read the letters. I'm having some issues. Let me back up a little further. There we are. Very nice. These are the steps. If I go upstairs, way up there. So here's the door handles. Just want to share those with you. Got the photos right there. Put your donations here. Some payments here. I'm starting to run out of battery, so I better make this quick, huh? To be quiet. Quite the building, huh? I try to finish off this video very quickly because I don't want to make any racket, and I'm also running out of battery. That's how technology works in 2025. Ooh, choir loft. Quite expensive. Let me see if I can go down this aisle and get a better view. There we are. Beautiful, gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Ooh, I'm losing my throat, losing my battery, and I had to be quiet, so glad this video is finally ended. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments below, and don't forget to check out my Patreon website, patreon.com/jmgarza, and I also have memberships and other things available in the description, and links to other videos if you're interested. Don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. Gracias. Oh, by the way, check out my website, my photo website. If you use your camera, you can scan it and get a link and go to my photo website specific for this channel, rvta.myportfolio.com. Again, thanks for watching my video. I'm in Berlin. It's June 17th. Gracias. Adios.